Fortnite or place Fortnite or someone say Fortnite? Fortnite or how mad? Battle Royale, 100-player PvP. Wow, Pog. It's so loud. Skip, skip. Holy fuck. Gee, whoa. That's cool. I want that. Where did the axes go? Are they gone? Oh no, I missed the axes. Oh, Pepe hands. What the? Oh shit, that's dope. Who joined? Nobody. I want this. How do I equip it? I love how they call them wraps. They don't call them gun skins. They just call them wraps. Gun wraps. It's very, very interesting. All right, chat. Fortnite, everybody. Yeah. Woo! Fortnite! Let's go! Whoa. Where am I? This looks different. The fuck? This is not what I remember. I love this game. It's my favorite. That place looks cool. I want to go there. They need to add left and right click while you glide to do stuff. Like left click should do something and right click should do something, you know? Dude, these guys are pros. How am I supposed to beat them landing? How are these guys so fast? Oh, wait. No, I might be the first one. Oh, what the fuck was that? Jesus. Okay, this is ridiculous. This for real? That is... I needed to break through the wall to get in there, dude. I couldn't crouch in. Okay. Let's try that again, shall we? Can you shoot these? What the? What the? What the fuck? Oh, that was a stream sniper. Actually, that makes sense. That guy landed above me. I heard him land above me. I just thought he was like a, I don't know, fucking around or something. Oh, no, he's not. He's legit. Or maybe, I don't know, actually. Now I can't tell. What is this? They made this gray? I thought this was blue or green and blue. Damn, that player was legit. He looked hella sketch. His actions were hella sketch. This thing is cool as fuck. Oh, it's my skin that makes it look so cool. It looks like a fucking gold, dude. The skin's dope. I love skins. I don't know if you guys can tell. They're my favorite. What's that? Oh, what the fuck are these? Oh. Aw. That's cute. Is there more? What the fuck is that? How do I get up there? Do I have to build to it? Holy shit. The fuck was that? What are these things? Hello? Why is it so slow? What the fuck? Okay. Oh god, he's faster than me. He's faster than me. He's faster than me. I'm just better though. Jesus. That guy's probably so bummed. I should not be alive. I should not be alive. 100% I didn't deserve to win that. But hey, here we are. I'm just having a good time flying right now. Look at me go. Oh, I don't like this. I'm gonna die if I engage in this fight. I promise I will. Is this for real? Oh, shit. Oh, boy. Aww. This game's too fucking hard, man. Pissed me off. I just want a gun. I just want a game where I just run around and own. You know, like Apex. That's why I love Apex so much. It's an easy fucking game. I'd love to see a Fortnite game mode with no building and no destructible. Like, you can't break any of this shit. So you have to use the environment that you're given to fight. That'd be fun. Season 10, no building. Could you imagine they did that? Oh my god. Fuck, that'd be funny. This thing's cool. Oh, banana. Ooh, shields. Look at all these bananas. What the fucking Pog? What's that noise? Is that Thanos? Is he coming to beat my ass? I don't know if Thanos is still in this game. Did they get rid of that ages ago, or? Okay. So what do these cannons do? Can I shoot myself there? Will I die? Do I take fall damage if I shoot? Oh, I'm about to find out. Nope. That's cool. What? What? Okay. That's new. Come here. What is that? Oh! What is that thing? That's cool. I don't know what it is, but it looks cool. Oh. Okay. This thing's cool. Doesn't do very much damage. Oh! That went right through him. That literally went through him, I swear. Yeah, for real? Okay. Fucking stupid game. Okay. Alright. Why isn't my bow not shooting? Oh, okay. What the fuck? What the? What? Relax, my guy. This is the fucking CPL finals over here. Jesus. Oh god, oh god, oh god. He's so fast, he's so swift. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Okay. Dude, that guy's just flying. He's so fast. Aw.